man, I'm about to get this self-cut going. It's pretty rough right now. Ball taper the sides, 1.5 on top. Basic stuff. Look, I know I can't go nowhere to show it off, but you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and make a video, post it on the gram, show it off on the gram. Sit back and relax. It's about to go down. Stay safe, man. Stay in the house. It ain't worth it, man. Just chill, relax, enjoy the break. I'm tired of looking a mess. That's one good thing about being a barber. You can cut your own damn hair. Well, at least for me. I know most barbers can cut their hair. Probably some people that just can't. But it's all good. Teach us on. And I hope y'all enjoyed that cut. This is the final product right here. Y'all nice little turnaround. Got it down to a 1.5. Got the line real crispy and sharp. Ball taper, man. Hope y'all like it. I like it cordless, man. I don't really like dealing with the cords as much, especially when I'm cutting my own hair. This is all the clippers that I use. Just 2 clippers. I like these for a good home cut, a good self cut. But anyways, man, I hope y'all enjoyed it. I'm gonna have some more content, some more videos coming soon. Make sure y'all subscribe, press that like button, man, share it with a friend. And I just appreciate y'all even watching the video. If you're watching this video, man, I appreciate you. Thanks for checking it out. Peace.